Hello there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle, where we post daily lessons, stories, and insights on the law of attraction and manifestation, and how you can use them as a skill to live out the life of your dreams. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most popular topics in personal development, manifestation. Of course, we all know that manifestation is about bringing our thoughts and desires into reality, but did you know that mindfulness plays a crucial role in the manifestation process? Let's start by understanding the law of attraction. The law of attraction is a universal principle that states that like attracts like. This means that you attract into your life whatever you focus on and believe in. Your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs act as a magnetic force, attracting circumstances and experiences that align with them. The law of attraction applies to positive and negative thoughts and feelings, so it's essential to focus on positive and uplifting thoughts to attract positive experiences. The idea behind the law of attraction is that you can shape your reality by controlling your thoughts and beliefs. Focusing on what you want and taking action toward your goals can make your desires a reality. Understanding and applying the law of attraction is crucial to manifestation and mindfulness. Now let's dive into the science behind mindfulness. Mindfulness is a mental state achieved by focusing one's awareness on the present moment while calmly acknowledging and accepting one's feelings, thoughts, and bodily sensations. This practice has been scientifically proven to help reduce stress, increase happiness, and improve physical health. One study that highlights the power of mindfulness was published in the journal Psychotherapy and Psychosomatics in 2011. The study involved a group of patients with anxiety and depression who participated in an 8-week mindfulness-based stress reduction or MBSR program. The results showed that after participating in the program, the patients experienced significant decreases in symptoms of anxiety and depression, and improvements in overall psychological well-being. Now let's dispel some common misconceptions about manifestation and mindfulness. Manifestation is not just about positive thinking and visualization. While these practices can be helpful, they're just one part of the manifestation process. Mindfulness is not just about clearing your mind of all thoughts. It's about becoming more aware of your thoughts and learning to control them. So now that we've covered the basics, let's explore some simple mindfulness practices you can start incorporating into your daily routine. One of the simplest and most effective mindfulness practices is meditation. Spend 10 to 15 minutes each day sitting quietly, focusing on your breath and letting your thoughts come and go without judgment. There are plenty of apps to help guide you through meditation if you need practice. Another simple practice is to cultivate a daily gratitude practice. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on what you're grateful for and allow yourself to feel the positive emotions associated with gratitude. You can also try mindful breathing throughout the day. Simply pause, close your eyes, and focus on your breath for a few minutes. This helps to calm your mind and increase your awareness of the present moment. Another way to bring mindfulness into your daily routine is through mindful movement practices like yoga, tai chi, or qigong. These practices help connect your mind and body, making you more aware of your thoughts and emotions. It can be frustrating when you don't feel like your mindfulness practice has the desired effect, but it's important to remember that these things take time. The law of attraction states that like attracts like, which also applies to your thoughts and feelings. It takes consistent effort to cultivate a positive mindset, and mindfulness is a powerful tool in that process. Mindfulness helps you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions, allowing you to recognize and shift negative patterns. It also trains your brain to focus on the present moment, which can help you let go of worries about the future and regrets about the past. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine helps reduce stress, increase happiness, and attracts more positive experiences into your life. So keep your mindfulness practice even if you don't see immediate results. With consistency and patience, you'll begin to notice its positive impact on your life. In conclusion, manifestation and mindfulness go hand in hand. By incorporating simple mindfulness practices into your daily routine, you can improve your ability to manifest your desires and bring positive changes into your life. It's not just about positive thinking, but about becoming more aware of your thoughts and learning to control them. So take the time to practice mindfulness daily and watch your manifestation abilities improve. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.